Hey, I know. You want to be huge, right? You're here because you want to gain some muscles really fast. All right. Here are the best things to eat to bulk fast. But before that, let's get real. Myth: you have to eat too much. Truth: eating the right kind of food will make you bulk fast. Myth: it's hard to eat the right food all the time. Truth: it's really easy. Give these foods a try and you'll be bulking in no time. Here's a good plan for bulking. Eat when you're hungry. And keep eating until you feel full, but not to the point where you feel sick. The best way to make sure that you eat the right amount of food is to eat smaller meals a few times a day. Eating like this will help your body get all the energy and nutrients it needs to build muscle fast instead of putting on fat. Voila! You're done. But of course, there are some foods that are better than others. So here I have a list of the best foods for bulking. 1. Spinach. A cup has 7 grams of protein and 2 grams of fiber. So it's like eating a steak. Eat it with your omelet, in your sandwich, or in your pizza. 2. Yogurt. It's kind of like milk, except that it is a lot more calorically dense than milk. So if you're looking to gain weight fast, yogurt is the way to go. Plus, yogurt has tons of proteins, 10 grams per cup. 3. Eggs. A large egg has 6 grams of protein and very few carbs. Try scrambling them, frying them up into an omelet, or putting them in a quiche. 4. Cheese. A wheel of cheese has 10 grams of protein per serving, so you can have a few slices of cheese, about a quarter of the wheel, and still be full. 5. Salmon. A serving of salmon has about 20 grams of protein, 50% more than chicken. It's also rich in omega-3s, which are good for your heart and brain. So the next time you want to eat fish, think salmon. 6. Turkey. Turkey is great for vegetarians. It's one of the only non-meat sources of protein that's mostly complete. It's also a very lean meat source, meaning that it has little fat and few carbs. Plus, it's cheap. 7. Broccoli. A cup of broccoli contains 9 grams of protein. So you can eat a lot of broccoli and the rest of your dinner and still be full. Also, it's rich in magnesium and folic acid, which help make new cells in your body. 8. Fish. Fish is high in omega-3s, which are great for your heart and brain. Some good sources are sardines and herring. 9. Cottage cheese. A cup of cottage cheese has about 20 grams of protein and almost no carbs. So eat it in a bowl with some fruit or make a smoothie with it. Don't forget to add sports to your diet. It is great for your muscles and your overall health. When you exercise, your body releases endorphins, which make you feel good. And exercise makes you feel better about yourself because it helps make you look better. So it's a win-win. Here are some reasons why you don't bulk fast. 1. You're not eating enough. If you want to gain weight, you need to eat more calories than you burn. Try eating more of the foods on the list above and add some snacks in between meals. 2. You're skipping breakfast. Skipping breakfast can make it hard to eat enough food during the rest of the day. And if you don't eat enough, your body will start burning its own energy stores, a process called metabolism. To avoid this, try eating a bowl of oatmeal or another high-protein cereal in the morning with a bit of milk and some raisins or almonds. 3. You're skipping meals. If you really want to bulk fast, then you should be eating every 3 hours. Here are some good times to eat. Breakfast, 1 hour after waking up and 30 minutes before lunchtime. Lunch, 30 minutes before your next meal and 30 minutes after your last meal. Dinner, 1 hour before bedtime. If you're trying to gain weight fast, eat all of the time. Do not skip meals. 4. You're eating too much fat. To gain weight, you need to eat a lot of food and keep your fat consumption low. Betaine HCl, a compound in vegetables that slows digestion, is great for gaining muscle mass because you will bulk fast. But if you want to bulk fast and remain lean, stick with chicken breast or fish and love the creation of cottage cheese, beneficial for gaining muscle mass. Eat eggs. 5. Your body is not used to eating the right foods. Giving your body new nutrients while it's learning how to build muscle can be counterproductive. Going too heavy on carbs or protein can also leave you feeling jittery and will prevent you from getting a good night's sleep. 6. You're not eating enough protein. If you want to bulk fast, eat at least 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight every day. 7. Your diet is too low in essential vitamins and minerals. If you don't eat enough, your body will stop making new muscle tissue, catabolism. And if you don't build new muscle tissue, then your muscles won't get bigger. 8. You're eating too much protein. Yes. Again. If you want to bulk fast, then eat at least 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight every day. 9. You have poor sleep habits or no exercise routine. If you don't get enough sleep, you'll stop putting on weight. While sleeping, the body synthesizes proteins to repair muscle. So if your muscles are broken down or damaged, then you may not get very good results from a bulk building program. 10. You're not eating enough of the right foods. If your diet consists of too many carbs and too much fat, then your body will stop building muscle and start looking for energy in other places, namely the fat stores that you've been working so hard to lose. Here are some tips for bulking quickly. Do some light cardio before your workout. It's the best time to build muscle because you won't get tired out and you'll still improve just by lifting weights. Do at least 1 heavy workout and 1 light workout each week for 3 weeks straight before your bulk starts to slow down. Add some protein shakes to your diet. If you're not eating enough protein, then drink a shake when you wake up and 1 before and after your workout. Make sure you're getting enough sleep. Research has shown that lack of sleep can prevent muscle growth and force you to cut calories, which is counter to bulking up goals. Also, don't worry about not eating enough fat if you're bulking fast. Most people don't need too much fat to gain muscle mass. Why bulking is good for you? Bulking up in the gym is good for you because it will give you muscles, which will make you look hot and good. It's also good for your health because having muscles helps your heart and brain. So if you have been thinking about bulking up, this should be great news to you. Remember that bulking requires lots of energy and a balanced diet. So eat lots of food, and don't forget to stay hydrated. Drink lots of water every day, or drink fruit juices instead if you're not a big water fan. Just keep in mind that you don't want to eat too much junk food, because it will just make you fat. It is better to eat healthy, but not too much. You should also remember that a balanced diet is the best way to gain mass faster and get a better body. What's your favorite food on the list? With that plan, you'll bulk like never before. Don't hesitate to tell us your results in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want more videos on how to boost your metabolism, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos.